In this video, I'm going to teach you if your Venmo balance has been missing. I'll give you right here the fix. So right here, as you can see, this user from Reddit have their balance gone. They received transfer for 200, but in there they don't have it ready yet. There isn't any activity. So in there, the update for this is just to sign out and sign back in. That worked, and several others here, they were able to see the balance, and it will is what's able to transfer to bank instantly, and the transfer went through. So as you have noticed, depending onto the actual title itself, you can see that you can just sign out and sign back in into your Venmo. So if there's something went wrong or try again later, you can head over and see if this happening. You can also try to uninstall or install the application itself in order to see if it will give back the balance and fix the bugs that actually happening onto the app. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.